Hi guys, Steve at Card Industry Professionals, Regional Sales Manager South. Just wanted to do a quick video just to show you the size of the Pax A920 against the Poynt P5 and the Poynt 61B. So obviously the Pax has built-in till rolls. It's a fairly standard size card terminal. The P5 is pretty similar looking in regards to size. I'll just compare both sort of side by side. Pretty similar, obviously just a slightly larger till roll holder there, but pretty comparative in regards to size. I think the screen size is a little bit, screen size is a little bit bigger on the P5. If you just line the screens up, yeah, just a little bit bigger, but weight wise pretty similar in weight, so not a massive difference really. The P61B is larger. It's quite nicely balanced because you can sort of hold it like this, so it doesn't really ever slip out your hands. It's if you just, it's quite nicely balanced like that. Obviously it has the front screen as well, and then the receipt roll fits in there. Size wise, I mean, it's really sort of a little bit bigger than an iPad mini. Not a massive difference between the two, but obviously a little bit easier to read if you've got menu items and you're putting in card payment details. If you're doing a transaction, for example, you do have a, oops, sorry, not transaction. If you're using the terminal, on here, you've got a slightly bigger keypad. But yeah, it's pretty easy to use. So yeah, so that's the comparison between the three, and hope that helps.